Dodge Challenger wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Dodge Challenger wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved out to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-good appearance. Using Dodge Challenger wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on the existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembly, other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Dodge Challenger wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory with the highest security and are full of more than 66 FGS and DV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent technique, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the sheet spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will defer and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. Also, the BONOSS active cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. In addition, the BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation tools to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these tools allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety.